Now we'll see how enumeration is achieved in Java language. So see, go through this sentence. All enumeration types in Java language are implicitly subclasses are of the predefined class enum. Now what do you mean by this? So we'll see one example. So see, this is a program written in Java language. How enumeration type is defined? So see, again here just similar to C++ language, we are using keyword enum. This is the enumeration type, user defined data type, and these are the values. Now see, one thing is important. Here, this is considered as a class. Here, this enumeration type is considered as a class, and whatever the type that we have defined, it is a class and it is a subclass of predefined class enum. So enum is a predefined class with E capital. So enum is a predefined class in Java library, and whatever the enumeration types that we are defining, all are subclasses of this enum class. So in this case, in this our example, this is a subclass of enum class. This is a subclass of enum class. Now see, so again in the same way, just like we have seen example of C++, so same way we are taken here. So we are defining two variable. Now see, it is a class. So as it is a class, so these will be the objects. My color will be object. What value we are allocating? Blue. Colors dot blue, because these are the constants. So as these are the constants, as in Java language, constants are defined by the final keyword. So these are the final values are final constants. So this is the constant. So we are accessing it by using this class name colors, colors dot blue, and again this is a colors dot red. So that two values we have allocated. Now see, we will run this program. So here we are printing it, my color and your color. So we will run this. So we'll compile. Now we will run this. Now see, here we got my color is blue, so that we have allocated here, and your color is red. So same way we got the value. Now see, these are the objects, right? These are the objects. Why it is the object? Because this is a variable of this class. This is the class. Enumeration types are the classes. So this is the object. As it is the object, we can call some method also. For example, see, if we call this method ordinal, this is a method. If we call this method, so it will print index of this. So index will be like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that indices will get print. So we will run this. So we will compile this, and now we will run this. So see, initially we got the values blue and red, and this time we are calling this method ordinal method. So this time we got 1 and 0. So that indices we got here, just like in our C++ language. So this is how enumeration is implemented in Java programming language.